Representatives. But the social media already is awash with the fact that the Senate has rejected electronic transmission. That is not true. That is not true. Electronic transmission had always been in our act. And what we did was to return the electronic transmission, which had been in our act and which was used in 2022. So please do not allow people to confuse you. If you are in doubt, we will make up our final votes and proceedings available to you if you apply and you are entitled, so that you will see this Senate under my watch has not rejected electronic transmission of results. It's in my interest as a participant in the next election for such to be done. So please don't go with the crowd. Don't go with the crowd. We have retained what was in the previous provision. That's all we did. So if we rejected what was proposed by way of amendment and said let's retain what was in the previous provision. Distinguished colleagues, a bill for an act to repeal the Electoral Act number 13, 2022, and to enact the Electoral Bill 2026 to regulate the conduct of the federal, state, and area council elections in the Federal Capital Territory and for other related matters 2026, third reading taken. Distinguished colleagues, a bill for an act to repeal the Electoral Act number 13 of 2022 and to enact the Electoral Bill 2026 to regulate the conduct of federal and state elections and also area council elections in the Federal Capital Territory and for related matters 2026, third reading taken and passed.